Today we have an iPhone 10. This phone has many problems like the proximity sensor, front mic, camera, and Face ID. So we are going to solve the problems. Let's get started after the intro. We are going to work with front flex. Now disassemble the device. Unmounting the front camera module from the display panel. Removing the flex cable from the camera module. Removing ambient light sensor from flex to install on the new flex cable. Now removing the proximity sensor from flex to install it on the new flex cable. Reballing the proximity sensor IC. Installing proximity sensor IC to the new flex cable. Install ambient sensor to flex cable. Now mount it on the front camera module. Now assembling the phone. Checking the phone. The true tone is okay. The proximity sensor is okay. Face ID is okay. The camera is working fine. So, successfully solve the problems. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, hit the like button, and comment in the comment section.